Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying BLE support and updating firmware. This prevents compatibility failures. Next, enable Bluetooth and grant required permissions so scanning and connections work. Open your app or tool and begin a filtered scan using target service UUIDs. Make sure to filter to reduce false positives and save battery. Once you see matching devices, inspect RSSI and advertisement data to pick the closest candidate. Begin the connection attempt right away to move into service discovery. You establish a GAT connection and immediately handle errors with retry limits so the app remains responsive. Once connected, perform service and characteristic discovery. Identify UUIDs, properties, and permissions because that determines how you interact. Request a higher MTU if you need larger payloads, and trigger pairing or bonding when encryption is required. Then subscribe to notifications or indications for real-time data. This reduces polling and improves battery life. Make sure you process incoming characteristic updates on the correct thread or callback. You finalize by validating exchange data and confirming integrity with checksums or length fields. This prevents partial writes from breaking state. When finished, perform a clean disconnect and save bonding keys so future reconnections are seamless. Manage power by limiting scan windows and using background modes only when necessary. This extends battery life. If you run into persistent failures, reset the Bluetooth adapter, clear cached bonds, and retry with logging enabled. That one tip resolves most cryptic connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.